Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Pumpkin Patch Chronicles. My name is BJ Raymer of Glowing Jack's Pumpkin Patch, and this is week 4 of the update in the Pumpkin Patch. Week 4, ladies and gentlemen. As you saw a couple weeks ago, I was in tears about how we didn't have much rain. And did you know that it has just poured down here in the Pumpkin Patch in the last 3 or 4 days? We've been down here every day working as hard as we can. We got our safety gear on. I got sunscreen on my nose. It feels like I'm at the beach. We've almost been floating away. We've had big rain, small rain, rain coming from the side, rain coming up in our faces. We've been clearing ditches. We've been wading in water. We've been swimming. I think I lost a child at one point. I think we found him. I mean, I was so worried about the rain not coming, I was like, oh man, my pumpkin plants, I have no water for them, and when's it gonna rain? And bam, the rain came. It's like that old American saying that we have all heard before. It's like a bundle of sticks in one hand and a bunch of chickens fighting in the other. It's just it's a no-win situation there. The only people that are happy is the weeds that are growing in this place because they know I can't get to them at the moment. Maybe that's what that saying is about. The weeds are representing the chickens, and you take those sticks and you got to beat the weeds. You got to beat the chicken. You're going to beat them right out of here. That's all I'm going to say. We're going to get on top of this, because we're going to take care of all this. We're going to get the weeds out. We're not hurting too bad at the moment. The kids are going to be sick of me. When I say kids, I say they're my employees. They're invested in this, I kind of own them. They're my children, and I love them, and they love me. But they're not going to be very happy this week, but it'll be okay. That's that build gung-ho drive that I try to give them each and every week. I try to remind them every day, we're here to grow pumpkins, not pumpkins. And that's what this is all about. But here's the update that you've been wanting to see. This is what these beautiful plants are looking like. Look how precious they are. They are getting big. They're getting lovely. Everything is starting to turn out good. Luckily, the water it ran away. It saw me coming out here trying to get the water out of ditches, and I cleared them all. It was dark out here, and Boo Bear up there, she's like, what are you doing down there in the pumpkin patch? And I was like, I'm trying to take care of it, babe. We got to take care of the pumpkins. All right, well, that's about it for right now. If you like these videos, we'll come up with another update for next week. We'll see how it's going. I think we got some training going on with the runners out here. It's going to be a lot of excitement going on. I think you're going to love it. I got to get back to swimming down that road, see what's going on down there. Just a lot of things going on. But anyways, go ahead and like this video, tell your friends, subscribe, share it with whoever you want, and go for it. We got more things coming. Car coming down the road. I'm gonna act like I'm dead. See if it's going, buddy. I'm not gonna move. All right, I'll see y'all later. I'm waiting for the car to go through and see what they do. They may screech the tires or something. All right, I'll talk to you later.